Introducing our fully featured compact process control system. The PMA KS98-2 combines expert PID control, process monitoring, sequence control, logic functions, data logging and alarms. Operation made easy, with 3.5-inch colour screen, intuitive touch control or via the capacitive touch keys, and easy access via the front USB port. Customization made easy, with splash screen, customer logo, multiple colour sets and customised user pages. Maintenance made easy, with on-screen status indications and quick access via front USB port for programming, monitoring or debugging. Adaption made easy, fully adaptable from a basic controller setup with universal measurement input, digital control inputs and relay outputs, to a complete automation system exactly adapted to application requirements, with up to 12 internal I/O modules and additional remote I/O if necessary. Fieldbus communication options are also available. Engineering made easy. Fast and flexible engineering based on PMA's proven function block library. Simply drag and drop your control module, wire it to your input, configure the input, add your output and done. Upgrade made easy. Simply add I/O for future or missed functionality within the lifecycle. The PMA KS98-2 is ideal for new designs and provides cost-effective, functional upgrades for most quarter-din controllers installed in the field. Automation made easy with the KS98-2.